Adam from the iNimbleSloth channel.
And I'm Baby Sloth.
And we've got a special treat from Pixel Wizard Retro Shop.
Pixel Wizard!
So let's dive in with the knife.
Be careful with knives, kids.
Always be careful with knives.
Not like, animal stuff.
What is it?
Commodore!
Wow.
Let me go sideways. You can see it. Commodore!
Try and keep it straight. Right, here we go. Let's attack the plastic a little bit more.
Look at that.
So, have you worked out what it is yet, Harry?
Yes.
What is it?
Commodore.
But
I think it's 64.
it is Commodore 64 what?
Case.
Yeah, that's right. This is just a case. It's a reproduction case.
Because we're going to put modern compute in it.
I'm going to put the Ultimate 64
This
in
is
it.
taking a while.
It is.
What's the Ultimate 64?
Let's try the other blade. What is the Ultimate 64? It is a...
Try the screwdriver and stab it.
Is clone the right word? I don't know. It's a...
Is it the newer version?
It's made, yeah. It's made with an FPG field programmable gate array, something like that.
This is because you're taking too long.
So if it's annoying you, it must be annoying everybody.
And the squeaking on the little thing is very high. You might need to turn it down when we do the video.
Fix it in post. We can fix it in post.
Look at it. It's just very spiky.
Going to show everybody the spikiness. Oh. Right. Here we go. So,
Commodore 64 case.
C64C case. Now, this is
C case.
the CC.
C.
C was not the first
Can I
model.
open it?
You can open it. Let me just
Can
check
you-
for this so that
You
it doesn't get
probably be
ripped.
cameraman then.
Let me just start it because I don't want to get it ripped.
Is the
This
original
also
box?
no. Well, it's the original box for the new one.
Commodore.
Right.
You be
Right.
cameraman.
I'll get it for you. You can do the honours. Right. Now the colour. You could have had this in classic beige, bread bin grey, SX64 style, or retro black. I went for, as you can see, bread bin grey.
Where does it dot? Dot, dot.
Are you ready?
Can I do it?
Yes, you can. You
the
can.
camera there.
Ready?
Hello.
Go for it. Ta-da! So what do we get in there?
Some paper.
We get... Has this got... I'm going to have to get rid of that in post. It's got an address on it. Okay, what do we get? We get... Ta-da! Hold the camera for me. You got it?
Oopsie.
So, this is what we get.
Where's the keyboard?
Where's the keyboard? It doesn't come with a keyboard.
What?
This is it. This is the case.
Silly. How are you meant to type with it then?
I will show you. Oh no,
You just
destroying the office.
I think you dropped
The remote control.
remote for the OS.
Right, so here we have got in bread bin grey.
Why is it bread bin?
That's the... it's funny, that's the old shape of the old Commodore 64.
Look at the orange.
And
tape.
I've ordered also to go in there serial number sticker, which will go underneath. But that is the Ultimate 64 one. And I've ordered
What's
an
that?
LED to sit in here.
Oh, does that show it's on?
Yeah. There's some feet and screws. Oh, I'm loving this. So soon, when I take delivery of my Ultimate 64, we'll be able to do a video. Now, I'm not sure whether to go through the magic of cutting, of magic of web editing, of video editing, and then boom, the keyboard.
Can I pop some?
No, you can't pop it. Not yet. Wait until we've finished. Da-dun, da-dun, da-dun,
There's a load of bubble wrap.
da-dun. So I need to clean this. It's got a little bit of manky dirt.
It's like tea.
Tea
Is
or
this
something.
an original one?
Yes. So
Where did you get
I
it
went
from?
eBay. So
Why has it got bits on the side of it? Oops.
they're all different shapes. That people aren't going to like this, but we're going to have to show a different make of computer. Bear with me, bear with me.
Look at these little bits here.
So they've got all the different symbols and things that those keys can do, just like the Spectrum had different bits on its keys.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, I had a Commodore 64 as a child. I didn't have a Spectrum. And my one was the C64, but it wasn't in the bread bin brown, obviously. And this is, it was well, let's start again. It wasn't bread bin grey, which is actually brown. Mine was a beige colour. And
don't you have that upstairs?
I do have one upstairs. Yes.
Is that the one you had?
No, that's reordered. But I wanted to talk about this keyboard. This keyboard was an older style. I didn't have this, and it was the more expensive ones because to manufacture, because it had these symbols on the side that you point out. On the cheaper, more modern keyboards, they actually just printed all of this with the letter on the top because it was cheaper to print it once. So that is almost complete. We're just waiting for the Ultimate 64 motherboard.
In there, being able to type. Just imagine it in there.
That'd be fantastic. So until then,
It'll be like.
until then, you'll have to imagine away with your imagination.
Imagination.
Bye.
Bye.